Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we are gonna blast out the interior of the Golf. It's absolutely disgusting. Spiders, cobwebs, all sorts of absolutely skankiness. Don't think it's ever been properly cleaned. So today we are gonna do this big disaster, disgusting detail. So hit that like, hit the subscribe button. Any comments, please drop them below. Let's get this done. So since I last I came and put some fuel in and started it the other day. Since then I haven't touched it. So let's see if it stinks in here. Whew. But it lives. That's the first part. Let's get it moved. So I brought it outside so we can see exactly what we are up against. Literally spiders living in here. Right guys, I'm gonna end the video there. It has been an absolute nightmare to clean. Obviously, I don't think this car's been cleaned for at least 5 years. It's absolutely skanking. So the point that we've got to is we've got all of the grime out. So the seats still need to be wet vaxxed. The floors still need to be wet vaxxed. But for today, done about 4 or 5 hours of just hoovering. So for today, I'm done. In the next video, we're gonna move on to detailing the outside, something a bit more fun. So we'll definitely do some wet sanding, definitely gonna do some polishing, and we'll see if we can get this paint looking half decent. So, bit of a slow video this time, but next time, much, much better. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.